Fourth sum, cot square x plus tan square x x. We need to integrate. There is no straight integration for cot square x and tan square x. So we need to use formulas. What is the formula? We know cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. The same secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Using this only, we are going to solve this sum. So cot square x, how the cot square x can be written? This one move this side because 1 come this side. Cosecant square x minus 1. Cosecant square x minus 1 plus minus tan square x come this side. 1 moves this side. Secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. So now you can integrate. Cot square x plus tan square x I can write as cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x. Next write secant square x. Secant square x minus 1 gives minus 2. Minus 2 into dx. So integration of cosecant square x, we have minus cot x. If you study the formula, you know secant square x integration nothing but tan x. Tan x. So minus 2, this is a constant. No, you can add your x. Then add the last constant called c. That's all. Next, fifth sum. So cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Here alpha is a constant. This one you need to maintain properly. Alpha is a constant. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. If here x is present, so how I can write cos 2x. Cos 2x nothing but 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1 minus open the bracket. Here 2 alpha is present. Here 2 theta means how I can write 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by, right as it is, cos x minus cos alpha. So 2 cos square x minus 1 multiply minus inside, minus 2 cos square alpha minus into minus plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 and 2 is common. Take 2 outside. Cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So 2. A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. Cos x plus cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. This both we can be cancelled. So remaining is nothing but 2 cos alpha. This is x. Sorry, this is x. 2 cos x plus cos alpha. Here 2 is common. Take it outside. Okay. Now we can start to integrate. So 2 I can take it outside. Cos x plus cos alpha into dx. If we are going to check properly, cos 2 I moved outside. Cos x integration nothing but sin x. Listen very carefully this sum. Cos alpha I told already, cos alpha is a constant. Suppose a constant phi is present here. How I can write phi into x? Because constant of phi into x. Integration of dx is x. No, phi into x. So cos alpha into x. This x I will write backside plus c. So this is the required answer for this sum. Cos 2x divided by sin square x divided into cos square x. You know cos 2x formula. Cos 2x, this is one of the formula. Cos 2x we can write as cos square x minus sin square x. This is one of the formula in trigonometry. Cos square x minus sin square x. The same formula I am going to use here. Cos square x minus sin square x divided by, right, sin square x into cos square x. Now divide. Cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Cos square x, sin square x cancel. The remaining is 1 by sin square x, 1 by cos square x. In this we can't able to integrate. 1 by sin square x we can write as cosecant square x. 1 by cos square x we can write as secant square x. For this we have integration formula. So integration of cosecant square x minus secant square x into dx. For cosecant square x we have minus cot x. Next minus. For secant square x this is minus. For secant square x we have tan square x. We add one constant called c. So but this is not the back answer. This is not a required back answer for us. So what are you going to do? Minus. Better I can take minus outside for both this. I taken minus outside plus c. How the cot can be written? Sin x. How the cot can be written? Sin x. This is not tan square, tan x. For secant square x, tan x. For cosecant square, cot x. For cot x, I need to write cos x divided by sin x. Plus, because minus take it outside. For tan x, I can write sin x divided by cos x. So minus. Now cross multiply. Cos into cos, cos square x. Sin into sin, sin square x. Divide by sin x cos x plus c. Divide by sin x cos x plus c. We know the formula. What is the formula? Cos square x plus sin square x is nothing but 1. So minus 1 divided by sin x plus cos x plus c. Sin x plus cos x plus c. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Sin 2x. Sin 2x. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. We need sin x. We need sin x and cos x. We need sin x and cos x. Sin x and cos x. Let 2 comes down. So 1 by 2 sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x. So minus 1 whole divided by 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. This 2 moves upward. So minus 2. 1 by sin 2x. We can write as cosecant 2x. Cosecant 2x plus c. This is a required back answer for this sum. So only I had brought up to this. Suppose if you don't this, you can stop the sum here itself. If you have 2 mark sum, you can stop the answer here itself. If it is 3 mark sum, you want to derive up to this. So this is the required answer. So 3 plus 4 cos x divided by sin square x. This is also very easy sum. 3 divided by sin square x plus 4 cos x divided by, we can write as sin square x. In spite of writing sin square x, I write sin x into sin x. 3 divided by sin square x, 4 cos x divided by sin square x only. But I write, in spite of writing sin square x, I write sin x. So this one I get 3 cosecant square x plus 4 cos x sin x I can write as cot x. That is 1 by sin x I can write as cosecant x. So now I can integrate. Integration of 3 cosecant square x plus 4 cot x cosecant x into dx is equal to, here 3 is constant, so 3 outside. Cosecant square x integration, we know what is cosecant square integration, nothing but minus cot. So minus cot x plus 4 is a constant, so put 4 outside. 4 is a constant, put 4 outside. So cot x cosecant x, it is nothing but minus cosecant x plus c. Now arrange it properly. Minus 3 cot x plus into minus 4 cosecant x plus c. Cosecant square x integration is nothing but cot x. This one you need to know. Cot x cosecant x nothing but minus cosecant x. Cosecant square is minus cot x. Cot x cosecant is minus cosecant x. Okay.